Meet the Cyberphone, an indestructible mobile phone with a 7-inch screen and nifty stainless steel finish. Flip the phone over and it begins to really look like its inspiration. An angled design with a widescreen-esque black glass on the upper half and a slated lower half resembling the truck's vaulted bed. Under the windshield lies a triple camera setup, but what really has my eye is the nifty strip light on the top, modeled after the Cybertruck's headlights that I assume works either as a flash or a notification light. Plus, extra points to the designer for rendering out this beauty on a marble surface, paying a hat tip to the Cybertruck's marble interiors. But before we carry on with this video, please make sure you smash the like button and then hit the subscribe button to enter a $200 Bitcoin giveaway. Now, let's carry on with the video. Tesla has experienced a successful height in the car and space industry. Now the company is rumored to enter the smartphone industry very shortly. The reports state that the Texas-based company is going to launch its first smartphone in late December of 2022. The Cyberphone is designed from titanium and has an angled design reminiscent of Tesla's Cybertruck. We don't have the high-end titanium version to test out, but rather an aluminum model than the version shipping out to customers. The official version of the Cyberphone features a back panel made from titanium with a PVC covering, with cutouts and buttons that allow the phone to operate as normal while sporting the Cybertruck-style design. Since the extra casing adds a good bit of bulk to the phone, there's a unique SIM ejection tool to get the SIM tray out from the deep crevice of the casing. There's a camera cutout at the back for the square-shaped camera setup of the phone, which features Tesla branding. You may notice a crack in the glass part of the Cyberphone's casing, so it's clearly not as indestructible as the Tesla Cybertruck. Elon Musk was able to break the window of the Cybertruck during its unveiling, however, so maybe Tesla is just aiming for authenticity. The non-glass portion of the case feels more durable, but it's also super heavy. There are also quite a few scratches around the bumper of the Cyberphone, and again, this is aluminum, but titanium is also prone to scratching. Visible scratches are not exactly desirable on a phone that costs as much as some cars. This design is inspired by the Tesla Cybertruck, of course. That is especially visible on the back. The backplate is not flat, nor is it curved in a symmetrical fashion. There are several different plates there, each with a different angle. It makes it look different than basically every other phone out there. The designer used a rather large Tesla logo on the back, and even the camera island is different. It protrudes on the back and hosts 3 horizontally aligned cameras. It's not a square camera island, nor is it a round one. It has sharp edges, of course, but the sides are angled differently. This smartphone also has etched lines on the back, horizontal ones. Its sides are actually flat all around the phone. On the front side of the phone, you'll find a flat display. The bezels are thin, while a display camera hole is included, and it's centered at the top. The corners are very sharp, as expected. The front side of the phone looks fairly normal, actually. We imagine that a Tesla smartphone would look different, and this design is not only different, but it does blend well with the Tesla Cybertruck design. So, Tesla did a nice job here. When it comes to the specifications and the features of the Cyberphone that would be launched by Tesla, the phone will be provided with a 6.7-inch OLED panel with a screen resolution of 1284 by 2778 pixels. The pixel density of the Cyberphone is said to be 458 ppi, and the refresh rate would be 120 Hz. Tesla Cyberphones will have a triple rear camera setup, and all 3 cameras will be provided with 50 megapixels. In addition, the camera's dual features will include dual pixel PDAF, dual LED dual tone flash, HDR pictures in portrait and panorama mode, cinematic mode, and stereo sound recording. The front-facing camera would be of punch-hole type design and will have a resolution of 40 megapixels. The front camera will have HDR and gyro EIS. When it comes to connectivity, Tesla Cyberphone will be supported with dual-band Wi-Fi connectivity. In addition, the device will be provided with Bluetooth connectivity with version 5.2, A2DP, and LE, and support GPS with AGPS and GLO-NASS. When it comes to the performance of the device, Tesla has designed its chipset for the Tesla Cyberphone and named it the Tesla processor. Tesla used its GPU for the device, and the storage type provided is NVMe. Like Tesla designs and manufactures most of its car parts, which enables the company to look into the quality and cost, the same would be reflected in the smartphone. Not much detail has been revealed about the battery performance, but it has been made clear that the Pi phone will have a battery capacity of 5000 mAh. The phone will have dimensions of 156.8 by 72.1 by 7.6 millimeters respectively, and the weight comes in at 202 grams. The model Cyberphone will be compatible with Starlink, which is a satellite-based broadband service provided by SpaceX. The services are available in 36 countries in the world as of July 2022. SpaceX was launched in the broadband market with an attempt to provide high-speed internet services to the underserved and remote locations of the world, and provide the services at lower costs. Based on these advantages, the venture can be predicted to be successful, as it will allow the users to connect their device to the network directly from their phone, giving them access to a reliable connection. Reports state that the newly launched Tesla smartphones will integrate better, which will allow users to have more control over their vehicle functions. Some experts believe that this feature would make Tesla cars more appealing to users. The mobile phone industry is one of the innovative sectors in the market, and the smartphone is becoming the standard configuration for many devices. In recent years, the Apple iPhone has dominated the smartphone world. Apple surpassed Samsung to take the #1 spot in the fourth quarter of 2021. On the other hand, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo have recorded their highest ever shipments. Tesla's entry into the mobile industry will give a tough competition to the key players in the mobile industry, including Apple and Samsung. Tesla has revolutionized the electric car market, and now Tesla is emphasizing diversifying its portfolio by entering the market. While the company focuses on cutting-edge technology, it is yet to be seen if the Texas-based company will have a successful position in this segment. This material is the same as what SpaceX uses on the Mars rocket prototype, because it distributes stress more evenly and allows for more interior volume. One interesting fact about the Cybertruck is that earlier design concepts included using titanium for the outer panels, but this was later switched to stainless steel for added strength. Tesla has a history of releasing interesting, though still on-brand products like the Cybertruck-inspired all-electric vehicle for kids, an umbrella with their logo stamped on it, and a stainless steel whistle. Adding a smartphone to the mix wouldn't be necessarily as unexpected, but its release isn't as believable as those other items, at least not yet. That said, Musk is on record saying, "I will make an alternative phone," in response to a tweet about Twitter, which he owns now, being removed from Apple and Google app stores. This has not happened yet, but if it were to happen, it seems Musk isn't opposed to the idea of releasing his own phone to keep Twitter alive. There's already a Tesla app for phones to perform basic car functions: lock and unlock the car, control media playback, and summon the vehicle. The app would most assuredly be pre-installed on the phone, if not built into the operating system, for easy access directly from the lock screen or via external buttons. It's also possible the app would offer unique options only to Tesla phone owners. It introduces an integrated navigation system that works when no data connection is available. It also recognizes road signs and can provide local weather alerts and warn the driver of restricted traffic areas. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please make sure you are subscribed to the channel and like the video with notifications on. Until next time, we'll see you later.